Welcome, Globetrotters. Today we are exploring Boston, a city rich in history and culture. But what if you're on a budget? No worries, we've got you covered. Boston, with its cobblestone streets and vibrant art scene, can be a bit pricey. However, that doesn't mean you can't enjoy its charm without burning a hole in your pocket. We'll cover everything from smart accommodation choices to affordable dining. And even toss in some free activities for good measure. So pack your bags, leave your worries behind, and get ready for an adventure. Are you ready to discover Boston without emptying your wallet? Let's dive in. Consider staying outside of downtown. You see, downtown Boston is undeniably attractive. But it can be a bit pricey when it comes to accommodation. Now, if you're willing to step away from the city center, you'll find a whole host of budget-friendly options. Explore neighborhoods like Cambridge, Somerville, Brookline, and more. They offer affordable stays with easy access to downtown through public transportation. Staying outside of downtown may mean a little extra travel time to get to those must-see attractions. But don't forget, every dollar saved on accommodation is a dollar you can spend on experiences. Sacrifice a little convenience for a lot of savings. It's worth it. Make the most of Boston's public transportation. Boston boasts an efficient and affordable public transportation system known as the T. It's a great alternative to renting a car or constantly hailing taxis. It's easy to navigate with 4 color-coded lines that connect all corners of the city. And let's not forget, the T gives you a chance to mix with locals and soak up the city's vibe. You might even pick up some insider tips on hidden gems to visit. Public transportation is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about immersing yourself in the city's culture. So, grab a Charlie card and hop on the T. Remember, your journey is part of the adventure. Immerse yourself in free or cheap activities. Boston, a city rich in history and culture, offers plenty of activities that won't cost you a dime. Boston's Freedom Trail is a historic treasure trove, winding through 16 significant landmarks that played a pivotal role in American history. For a seamless and immersive experience, consider downloading the Freedom Trail app. This handy tool brings history to life, activating and narrating as you step along the trail. It provides fascinating insights, anecdotes, and context about each site, enhancing your understanding of the events that shaped our nation. With the app as your guide, you'll embark on a captivating journey through time, seamlessly blending the past and present along this iconic path in Boston. Not only will you get a great workout, but you'll also learn a thing or two about the American Revolution. Next, head over to the Boston Harbor. This historic site offers stunning views and a breath of fresh sea air. And don't forget about the Free Fun Fridays program in August. This program offers free admission to top attractions in the city, giving you a chance to explore Boston's rich cultural scene without breaking the bank. If you are on a day trip to Boston via a cruise ship, the hop-on, hop-off bus is an ideal way to make the most of your limited time. With 8 strategically located stops showcasing the city's iconic landmarks, you can effortlessly explore the best of Boston. What's more, the bus conveniently returns you to the cruise ship terminal, ensuring a stress-free experience. The added bonus? Engaging with locals for recommendations and insights about the city's hidden gems. At less than $50 per person for the day, it's an affordable and efficient way to soak in the rich history and vibrant culture of Boston, tailored to your schedule and preferences. Who said fun has to be expensive? Relish in Boston's affordable dining options. Now, who said you need to break the bank to enjoy a good meal in Boston? Not us, that's for sure. Boston is brimming with eateries that serve delectable dishes without burning a hole in your pocket. Union Street and North Boston offer some excellent, budget-friendly dining options. In North Boston, the Boston Public Market stands out as a great choice. It's a vibrant marketplace where you can find an array of affordable, fresh, and locally sourced foods, making it perfect for those on a budget. Union Street, known for its diverse food scene, offers numerous eateries, with wallet-friendly options to satisfy your cravings while keeping your spending in check. So, whether you're looking for a quick bite or a satisfying meal, these areas provide plenty of affordable dining opportunities in the heart of Boston. So, next time you're in Boston, remember, delicious food need not always carry a hefty price tag. Quincy Market is a must-visit, right in the heart of Boston's Freedom Trail. This historic market is a popular destination for travelers. But beyond its rich history and iconic architecture, it's also a haven for budget-conscious visitors. With over 100 vendors, Quincy Market offers an array of goods. From unique souvenirs to local artisan crafts, all at affordable prices. Bargain hunters will be thrilled to find that many vendors offer deals and discounts, making it possible to pick up some great finds without breaking the bank. But it's not just about shopping. Quincy Market is also a gastronomic delight. From the famed clam chowder to mouth-watering lobster rolls, you can sample Boston's culinary best without splurging. And if you're in the mood for international flavors, you are in luck. The food court boasts an array of cuisines from around the world, all at wallet-friendly prices. So, whether you're looking to snag a bargain, satiate your palate, or simply soak up the vibrant atmosphere, Quincy Market is the place to be. Shop till you drop without dropping all your money. Consider a bit of strategic planning by visiting Boston during the off-peak season. The city is less crowded and prices for accommodation and flights are usually lower. Plus, you get to enjoy Boston's beauty at a leisurely pace. So there you have it, several hacks for a budget-friendly trip to Boston. Don't forget to explore the plethora of free activities Boston has to offer, like strolling the Freedom Trail or visiting the picturesque Boston Harbor. There's so much more you can do to make your Boston trip enjoyable while sticking to a budget. Which of these travel hacks will you be using on your next visit to Boston? Feel free to contact Vacation Retriever on our website for all of your travel needs. We would be happy to plan your next hassle-free vacation. And remember to like this video and consider subscribing for more great videos like this. Until next time, happy travels!